In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create affiliate links within the ShareASale affiliate network, where you can join multiple different affiliate programs and earn commissions from those programs. So once you sign up, if you have not signed up for ShareASale yet, I will add a link in the description box for you to go over and sign up, and then you can join different programs. Today we're going to go through how to do links in one of the programs that I've joined. As you can see on the left side, I have several different programs that I promote here, and there is a wide variety of the different types of programs you can promote and earn commissions from within ShareASale. So I will select Erin Condren just because it's one of my favorites and a pretty popular one. So when you go to this page, you can just go over and click on the right hand side where it says Get HTML, and you can select it all and copy it. Then use that code in your email or blog post. Or you can select the URL only, which I usually do since I am promoting my items on YouTube. So I just need the link, and then I always take the link and put it into a shortener so it is just cleaner. You can also grab banner links, or my favorite, create a custom link. So you'll go to the Erin Condren website and you'll be able to find any product on the website that you like and want to promote for your affiliate income. You'll pick something that either you're using in the video or that you use all the time if you have a certain planner. I promote budget items, so I looked up the little budget book that Erin Condren sells. It's super cute and a good fit for my audience. So to promote this item, I would just copy the URL up at the top and then go back to the Create Custom Link page on ShareASale and enter it in and click the button, and it creates a custom link for me that I can use to promote this item specifically and earn commissions when anyone buys it. You can also get a short link, and then when you create this link, it's saved down at the bottom pretty much forever. I have links from 2019 that are from items I made before, and it's a nice short URL, so you can use that link, just copy it and paste it and use it everywhere. It's ready to use. You can put it on social media, on your YouTube channel, anywhere you want to use it. It's really, really convenient. They make the short URL for you, and it does say the little share sale, and then as you can see, when you put it in, it shows the full link and it has your affiliate code so that you will get commissions on anything someone purchases. Within your Share a Sale account, you can also get these deals and coupons that Erin Condren creates specifically for affiliates. So there will always be a few here that have a start and end date, so it kind of tells you when they start and you can start using them, and when they end, so that there are certain sales and coupons and things that pop up there that you can use to promote items on the website and earn extra commissions. Then they have a few other things like the data feed that you can use to actually search here for items. So that budget book I found on Erin Condren website before, I can search budget book and it shows up here. So you can see you can get the link on this part of the ShareASale site too. I don't use this as much because they do give you the full code, but you can just copy the link in there, the thing in the quotations, or at the top you can copy it. They don't give you the short link here, which is the only downside to using the data feed, but you can just grab this link at the top, the text link, and then hop over to either bit.ly, or if you use Pretty Links or some sort of URL shortener, so a way to keep track of your affiliate links so that they're pretty and short, you can grab the link and then just hop over and create a better link in the preferred platform that you use. So this is just a matter of preference. So if you like using bit.ly links or your pretty links from your website, or if you really just prefer to keep everything in ShareASale and you want to keep all of your links organized in one spot, if you do keep them on the custom links page, those links do stay there for a very long time, pretty much I think as long as you have your account. So you can search through all the links you've made before, and it does have, of course, that short custom link that is just really easy to use. Then the final way to get a link or share links to Erin Condren to earn commissions is to create a page for your website, and that can include all of the products that you can search for and add. So if you want to create, for instance, a favorites page, this is a really, really easy way to do it. You just add all of your favorite products from the data feed, and then you get the code and paste it into your preferred blogging platform, and it creates a really cute little blog post or page. So that is how it works with Erin Condren, but of course you can use it with any of the merchants inside of ShareASale that you have joined, any affiliate program inside of this network. For instance, Cricut works the exact same way. As you can see here, there are deals and coupons that they put in the ShareASale affiliate program that you can grab the link to and then see when they start and end. They have a data feed. There's all sorts of different ways that you can promote any of these different affiliate programs within ShareASale. And you can even switch back and forth when you're making pages. If you're making different pages for your websites within recommendations, or you just want to grab some code to throw up on a page related to the product that you are recommending. There are thousands of different programs inside of ShareASale, so no matter what product you want to promote, there is an option out there for you inside of this affiliate network.